Good morning, students. Best of luck for your academic performance evaluation. I hope that you are studying and you will do the best in your test. Today we will revise the chapter parts of speech. In the previous class we discussed, revised, we knew about noun, pronoun, verb and adjective, and today we will discuss determiner, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So I think that you will enjoy the video and try to know about it more and more. Dear student, today we will continue here in this chapter. We will revise the remaining part. In the previous class we revised noun, pronoun, verb, adjective. Here we will revise determiner, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Dear student, you know that determiner means that is a word. A determiner is a word that limits the meaning of a noun or makes it clear. Determiners include here a and the, means will come in article, and indefinite article, the definite article, this, that. Demonstrative adjective will come each, every, all, much, many, some, any, my, your, her, their. Your, her, there will come in what? Possessive adjective. 1, 2. Number will come in number. All, much, many, some, any will come in what? Quantity. Understand? So in this way you know that mostly each, every will come in what? Each boy, every boy, the category of distributive. So in this way you are getting that these are, that limits the meaning. Suppose that I am writing here the boy is ready, means that we know about the boy, limits the meaning. Understand and makes it clear. Especially adjectives will come here in the category of determiner, article. Understand? Afterward we are coming next one, adverb. The next is here adverb. Dear student, you know that adverb is a word. Here adverb is a word that mainly adds the meaning of verb, adverb or adjective. Understand? And it will also says how, where and when. It will tell that adds the meaning to verb, adverb and adjective, and says how, where and when an action is done. Understand? We will see the examples. He played well. Played how? Understand? Played how? We use, then we get the answer well. Understand? Adverb of manner. Lived where? We are adding lived where. The answer is coming here. Adverb of place. So here is here what? Adverb of place. Well will be adverb of manner. Do it now. When? Do it when? Now. The answer is coming. Tell about what? So here adverbs will tell about now verb, adverb and adjective. You are knowing that it tells about the verb played. Played how? Well. Lived. The verb is here lived. Where? Here adverb of place. And now is here adverb of time. Understand? You are getting adverb of also. We will read in further classes adverb of frequency, adverb of quantity, etc. Dear student, now we will discuss here preposition. Pre means before, position means place. So you know that preposition is a word, understand, like at, in, with, for, from, to, into. Many words are here, you will get that. Into, understand. You know that etc. used before a noun or pronoun to show what? Place, time, method, reason, etc. To show place, time, method, reason. For example, we will see here, he lives at Gazipur in UP. For bigger place we will use in, for smaller place we will use at. Understand? So it will be used for what? According to the definition, for place, it is the example of place. Time, understand, he came at 7 o'clock. So here at will be used for time. Understand? Understand? So in this way we will use preposition for place, time, method, reason, etc. Next we will discuss here about conjunction. Dear student, now we will know about conjunction. What do you mean by here conjunction? Conjunction means that is a word, is a joining word, understand, like, and, but, are, so, because, though, if, etc. Understand? It joins words or groups of words. So conjunction is a joining words. It will be used for joining words or group of words, phrases. Understand? So here we will see the examples. Suppose that he is wise and it. For same nature we will use and. He is poor but helpful. He is poor and helpful. These are two contradictory nature. The nature will be contradictory, and that time we will use but. I am in trouble because I don't take your advice. The reason is here given, because I don't take your advice. So these are three examples of what? Of conjunction. Understand? Next one is that, and the last is here interjection. The last one is here interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses a strong feeling. Understand? And especially it will express what? Wonder, surprise, sudden feeling of the heart. Wonder, surprise, understand, etc. And we will use exclamation mark for exclamatory word. So the examples are here given, but we know that some exclamatory words, bravo, hooray, goes, ow, oh, hey, wow, ouch, etc. So sudden feeling of the heart, sudden feeling will be expressed, emotion, sudden feeling will be expressed by these words. Hooray, we have won the match. Bravo, you have done well. Understand? So here you are getting that which expresses a strong feeling, sudden feeling. So I think that you have understood all this clearly. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.